After an irregularity report has been entered into OTISS, it must then be opened up and processed. By processing, we mean reviewing the report, adding student information, and making any necessary notes for the next reporting level. To find a report that has been submitted, click on the New Pending Irregularity tab at the top right of the page. Next, click the paper pencil icon to the left of the irregularity you need to review. Once the irregularity opens up, review the information for accuracy. Next, add the student or students' information by clicking the Add a Student button and fill in the required information. The stock ID is found on the front of the test booklet involved in the report. Click Add Student, and now the student information will be displayed on the main reporting page. If you have some additional information that needs to be communicated to the next reporting level, click the Add a Note button at the bottom of the page. Type the message, select a recipient, and then click Save. Your note will now also be displayed on the main reporting page. You may also set a retest date if you already know it. By clicking a date on the calendar. If you don't know it, your LEA test coordinator can set the retest date for you after you submit the irregularity. Once these steps have been completed, click the Submit to LEA TC button, and that will move the report to the next level. You may now access the report on the Submitted Irregularities tab.